Good morning, afternoon, evening, and good night, ladies and gentlemen. I'm DeadVideos. Welcome to my desktop. Well, actually, currently welcome to VS Visual Studios Code, because we're going to be fixing shit today. If you came here looking for Minecraft, you're going to learn how to fix a Minecraft mod pack using data packs, because I have no idea how the fuck data packs work. So we're going to learn together. I know a little bit, but not a lot. So, we're going to learn. If reading or listening to me read is not something you have the attention span for today, I recommend you leave. Because that's what we're gonna be doing today. If I make it all the way through this and we get it working, awesome. I'll play some Minecraft. But odds are that's not happening. Pepsmith and Dwarf, both of you, welcome back to the stream. I hope you guys are doing okay. So today's gonna be a very chill stream. You know what? Let me throw on some just music in the background. Give me 1 second. Let me go pull up my music playlist, because I'm going to go insane if there's no audio going. View my channel. My playlists, please. Because I have a hidden playlist that is all of my copyright-free music that I listen to on stream. Where is it? There it is. There we go. Go ahead and turn that down, so it's just audible in the background. If you're any coding, I'll assume you're a high-ranking officer at NASA with a fursuit or a femboy. Understandable. Well, all I'm saying is, don't anger the furry community. They will come for you, and they have more money than you do. Copyright-free music, indeed. All right, so I'm gonna take a step back from what I already have done, and I'm gonna show you guys something here. So, if you go to, you're going to want to go to, or I'll show you this actually. I'll bring up CurseForge. So let's say you have a mod pack that's broken, all right? The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to open up CurseForge, which mine looks like a mess. Yours will look different than this. Then you're going to want to find whatever mod pack it is that's broken. For me, it's this one, and then this one, and then this one, and then now this one. I've made a few versions of this. We've been trying to fix stuff. I can actually delete some of these. I think it's this one is the newest one. Yeah, it's 5 days ago. 7 days ago, 6 days ago. Go ahead and delete these. Just to get them out of the way. There we go. Alright. Now we'll go to the one we actually are using. So, let's assume you just download this mod pack and something's broken, right? You're going to want to go here, click this button right here, open folder. Mess with CurseForge too much, fair enough. So from here you can open the folder, and that gets you to here, and that's where you want to go. Then you want to go to any save game, go to your worlds, and this is specifically if you want to try and fix this using data packs. You can fix this using other types of mods, and if you know, in theory, if you know how to open up a .jar file, and you aren't going to redistribute files, then you can do it via that way. But do not redistribute files if you're editing someone's .jar file, because it's not your .jar, and it's illegal. Anyway, and then you go ahead and go to data packs, and you just make a folder here. I'm actually gonna change this. I'm gonna change the name of this folder it's gotta be lowercase. DeadVideos fixes. All right, and that'll make sense in a minute. But, long story short, then you have an empty folder. Perfect, we have an empty folder. We no longer need CurseForge. Get this out of here. Now, you can use whatever program to edit text files you want, but I'm using Visual Studio's coding because it allows you to do shit like this, where you go open up your folder. Yeah, there's no file in there. Convenient. You make a file. And then we're going to go... And this is about where my knowledge ends, by the way, which means we are in the deep end at this point. So I'm going to go ahead and drag this over here. I will bring relevant clips over here onto the main screen as we go. So the link I have here is Minecraft Wiki data pack. This is basically the full breakdown of how data packs work. This is very useful. This is not a tutorial. This is like the file structure, which is very useful. We're going to learn while bullshitting through? Exactly. That is what we're doing. We're bullshitting our way through, and we're learning. We're learning together. It's less so that I'm teaching and more so that we're learning together. We may even end up watching a tutorial if I fuck this up enough. Like, if I can't figure this out, then we're going to watch a tutorial. And I will have to somehow include their copyright in my video. Don't worry about it. We'll figure it out. Or I'll just use text tutorials. Don't worry about it. Anyway. I'm brain dead, though. That's fair. Then you can come back and watch this again when you have more brain to work with. All right. Yes, it has to contain a pack.mc meta file. Yeah, that's right. File containing the data pack. Data is organized in namespaces to avoid different... Yeah, that's fine. Namespace is just a fancy way of saying you need to have a different name than everybody else so that things don't get confused. Because if you have two data packs that are named the same thing, shit's gonna break. It's data namespace, registry name, path.json. So we're gonna need... file is loaded into registry name, registry with ID, namespace, path. Path can contain slashes, which is also an extra subfolder. Okay, so we're gonna want to go. We want a new folder. We have the new folder. We have the new folder. Okay, or the new file inside the folder. So we need an MC pack.mc meta. That's what we need right now. Let's go. So, hang on, I might be dumb right now. Explorer. We need a new file. Pack.mc meta. You create the file. There we go. And DV fixes. Yes, pack.mc meta. Perfect. I accidentally made a file called that. Spyglass language server crashed 5 times in the last 3 minutes. Server will not be restarted. See the output for more information. Oh, good. Delightful. I love it when tools break. That's delightful. Okay, so we have the pack.mc meta. Only mandatory file, pack.png, picture display. Oh yeah, we could display a pack.png. We could display an image here, which is not that important right now. Oh, that's the thing I have in the background. Alright. They both are blue icons. And I can't drag that away, unfortunately. So, because Windows, yay, because Windows 11 has better features than Windows 7. Anyway, sorry, I need to not gripe about Windows while I'm trying to do something. Let's see. Let's see the namespace. There was a tutorial here on this. I've already forgotten the thing I'm supposed to be doing right now, which is excellent. I am well and truly fucked, I believe is the exact word. Alright, find the world folder, locate saves folder. Yeah, I already did that part. Creating an MC meta file. There we go. Pack.mc meta. Yep. Make sure the file extension is .mc meta, not .text. Yes, we already know that part already. I'm glad you're right there with me, Pepsimus, in terms of being confused. In other words, remove your old file extension. Yeah, I know all this part. Crap. Yes, thank you, I'm aware. Anti-text editor should work. It is recommended that chosen editor supports JSON, which does. VS Studio does support .json. Files, the MC meta extension, most other files on data pack. The text editors do not recognize MC meta as yeah, whatever. Nothing you can figure out matter. Already done. That's right. Okay, so we need on here. No, it's on here actually. We are on version. So we need to create the version number. So essentially, we need this text right here, which we literally. This is one of the billion things. This is how you code shit. You just steal information. We're gonna change the description to a pack of fixes made by DeadVideos. God help us all. Alright, and then, let's see. Figure out notification marks, colons, curly squares. Yes, I'm aware. Curly or square brackets. Pack format. Tells Minecraft. So pack format 15 is not what we need. We need 121.1, which is what we're running, which is 48 apparently. Okay. Don't ask me what that means. I have no idea. May Bass help us all. You're right. There we go. All right. Value pack format tells Minecraft what release the data pack is designed for. It is for different versions. The following list shows what each version's associated with. Yes, that much we have. Alright, let's see. Text following description can be any string or raw JSON text will show up or hover over your data pack and the output from data pack lists in the data pack UI when creating a world. It's possible to use the some fucking symbol. Description of packs meta. Yeah, don't care right now. Once you've created your pack, try testing out in game. Open the world, or if you're already in the world, type /reload. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah, it's something I gotta do, isn't it? That's unfortunate. Alright, let's real quick grab a file here that I have for reasons. It's very important. Go ahead and can we save this? Just do a Control S probably to save. Control S, thank you. Not Control A. We'll minimize that. Minimize this. Get the thing up real quick. Gonna go ahead and just do a quick copy paste on this. Gonna rename this guy to pack.png. So that's supposed to link that to that, I believe. Yes. Data pack. Oh wait, it's on this one right here. Pack.png. Picture displayed next to the data pack, and the data pack, yes. That's data pack name. Data packs. Oh, this didn't install to the correct place. This is supposed to be in here. Love that. Alright. I'm glad I checked. Good lord. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and fire up CurseForge and boot up Minecraft real quick. Music makes us all seem like grade A hackers. Hacking noises. I'm in. Okay. Let's boot this sucker up. Come along now. I'm gonna minimize that and put it off to the side. So how's everybody doing tonight? I probably should just leave Minecraft running, because we're gonna have to do this multiple times. With the whole reloading thing. Alrighty then. How is our night? Yes, how is your night? How are you doing? Or morning, or afternoon, or wherever the hell you are. I know you're on pretty much the opposite side of the world from I am. So, which means if it's 6:46 for me, it's probably what, like... It's either early in the AM or it's late for you. CurseForge makes me curse? That's fair. I was testing things. Don't worry about what that is. Don't worry about it. Alright, let's go ahead and do... Just because I can. Because I can, that's why. Resource packs. And resource default moonlight available. Mine's not in here. Interesting. Open pack folder. Oh, because it's in here under resource packs, of course. Because that's not actually how it works anymore or something. I'm not sure. Let's see. Testing your mod pack. I'm curious. Open the world, or if you're already in the world, type reload, then type datapack slash datapack list. Did he just crash? Did this motherfucker just crash? Seven data packs enabled. There are 2 data packs available. Ah, file. DeadVideos fixes. Is already enabled? Alrighty then. Well, it's there. Let's see. Should list 2 entries. One should be vanilla built in. Yeah, there's lots of other crap in here too. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'll show you guys what that is later. When you hover your data packs entry, you should see the description of your data pack as you've written the description. Yep. Pack shows up. You're ready to move on. Perfect. Naming. Make a folder called data in your data pack folder. Where do you have that open? I got that open already. That could fuck right off. Alright. Go ahead and do new. I love the Windows 11 layout. It's so nice. I fucking hate it. We can fix it. Put some WD-40 on it. That fixes everything. Fair. 5 a.m. 14 to 5. Yep, fair enough. Alright, let's see. You place the back.meta file in this data folder. You have to create one or more folders, which will act as your namespaces. Entries in data packs will have resource locations in a fashion of name.path, or :path. The corresponding file will be located at namespace data type path. Namespace data. Wait, corresponding file will be located at data namespace data type /path suffix. Entries in data packs have resource locations in a fashion of namespace path. Corresponding file will be located at data namespace data type. What? Hold on. Maybe this will shed some light on this. So data, then namespace. Okay, so data pack, data, then namespace folder, and then everything else below it. So when you do this, this is the namespace folder in here. So another folder here called, which is the actual namespace. So we'll go DeadVideos fixes. We'll do underscore fixes. There we go. Now, mind you, you should never have this data pack with any other thing ever, because this is a specific mod pack data pack. So you shouldn't have it, but I'm going to follow the rules anyway, just to be safe, because it never hurts to follow the damn rules when it comes to stuff like this. When it comes to coding, usually doesn't hurt to follow the rules. I'm going to say not never. I have a friend that probably attests to that being incorrect. I wish my friend was doing this, not me. They know way more about coding than I do. They code things for a living. Anyway, all right. And then functions, structures, tags, advancements. Yes, this is all the different stuff, all the different types of things we can use. We are not going to touch world gens. We ain't touching wolves. We ain't touching trims. We are touching recipes. Probably item modifier. I'm actually not sure what item tags would go under. Oh, probably tags. It's probably the tags folder that has the tags in it. Is my best guess. All right. Do from there, which is why I have item tag generator up. That's a separate thing that is useful for what we're doing. All right. Because I'll show you guys one of the things we're trying to fix here. One of the things we're trying to fix here is we pull up silver sword, or yeah. So silver's a bad example. Tin is a good example. So we have tin ingots from Mechanism, right? And you can see that this does not have a tag that says tin on it. It does not actually, like, declare itself as tin. And we have other recipes, like the tin claymore, that requires any ingot tagged with tin. It's an empty tag. We're going through and fixing this by adding to the Mechanism ingots all of the tags that they're missing. Like tin. Because we're looking at, what is it? It's... Hang on. Tin Claymore is looking for empty tag C ingots. It's tin ingot? That's the one. So, is tin not even tagged as an ingot? That is interesting. The tin's not even in the ingot list. That's shocking. Why are oak logs in the ore list? I'm very curious why that's there. Iron ore, deep slate ore. Is tin not even in here? Oh, here we go. It's probably in here. Salt. Iron, copper, gold. Tin ore. There we go. Deep slate tin ore. There we go. So the ores are in here, but the ingots aren't, which is interesting. So I'll need to fix that. So tin. Fascinating. The ingot itself is not in here. Why? Why is the ingot itself not in here? I feel like maybe... Because the guy who makes Mechanism is obviously smarter than me, right? I wonder if he knows something I don't. It's very possible he knows something I don't. That's why the tin ingot isn't in here. Because there were other options here that we didn't have. There was the copper, gold, diamond, copper, steel. Steel, is that set up properly? That's set up properly. Why is that set up properly? Steel ingot, steel ingot. There's only the 2 steel ingots in the game, so we're good on that. Okay. Copper, that should just be copper, because that's the base game. Steel, silver. Silver's not in this anymore. I removed the mod that adds silver. I removed, so if we go to silver, you can see there are things you can make with silver, or things that come from the silver dungeon in the Aether, but no silver ingots. There's no silver ore, there's no silver anything else. So silver doesn't exist. We removed them. I removed them on purpose, because we don't need it. It's just extra bloat that we didn't need. So it's really just bronze and tin that we need to fix. Might actually be easier to just do it recipe-wise then at that point. I was like, because bronze exists, you can make bronze via mechanism. Bronze dust, using the metallurgy confuser to make combine tin and copper to make bronze, yeah. But if we look at any of the bronze weapons, you can see empty ingots, empty tag bronze. So we just need to add bronze and tin as tags. That's all we need to do, for right now at least. Hey Mal, welcome to the stream. We're doing some stupid shit today. Some very stupid shit. We're being idiots while we learn to make a data pack that fixes tags, and maybe we'll go through and fix recipes as well. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows where the night will take us? We have hours together. Anyway, I'm not nearly drunk enough for this. Anyway, okay, so. Alright, naming, yes. An item tag of ID. We located data dummy tags. Item foo-proof bar. Foo-proof? Why foo-proof? It's supposed to be foolproof, I presume. We're getting drunk? We're not getting drunk. I've always kind of meant to learn this nonsense. Well, this is the stream for you, because I have no idea what I'm doing. So we're either going to learn together, or we're going to fail together. Although, given that I'm not going back, Vals, go back to the start of the stream and watch forward at double speed to catch up. Fred, perchance make us a bass mod? Maybe. Maybe I'll make a bass mod. How about that, huh? Yeah, it's my weekend. Fair enough. Mine too, funnily enough. Alright. Legal characters. Namespaces, paths, and other folder and file names and data pack should only contain the following symbols: numbers, lowercase letters, underscores, which is why I have underscores there, hyphens and minuses, / directory separator. Can't not be used in the namespace. And period. Frame name conventions is lowercase with underscores, called lower snake case. Lower snake case? Sure. Most objects in the game use namespace resource locations to prevent potential conflicts and unintentional overrides. For example, yes, I already went over this. Functions. Here we go. Functions and loot tables and shit. There we go. Now we're getting into it. Why does it go straight into loot tables, which is interesting? Because that's the loot table, right? So this is, you can see, yeah, cow's loot table. The type is Minecraft entity. It rolls 1. Interesting. Is there anything else she says cow? Oh, I'm betting the cow is the loot table name. That's it. So loot table name cow. And this folder, if it's subfolders, this will be loot table file. Loot table will be named in the game as namespace name or namespace blank. Namespace subfolder 1, subfolder 2, name. Files located in a subfolder. All the vanilla loot tables are in the Minecraft namespace. Here's an example of a cow's loot table that can be used as a reference. So minimum number of item. Minecraft uniform? The hell is uniform? Leather. I'm guessing this is... Oh, this is probably something else. I don't know what this is. It's referencing something, but I don't know what. I have no fucking clue. But you can see there, you know, leather. It rolls 1 time for leather. Minecraft item. Minimum of 1, maximum of 3. I have no idea what Minecraft uniform is. Learn what each tag means. See loot tables. There's also a list of vanilla loot tables on that page. Loot tables are technical JSON files used to dictate what items to generate in various sources. I don't know why I'm bothering to look at loot tables. We don't need loot tables right now. We're getting distracted. We're getting off topic here. All right. To add functions, first create a folder named functions. Yeah, it's not terribly important for us at the moment. Ignoring loot, structures, world gen, advancements, recipes. Recipes is useful. We might just edit some recipes, which is why I have this open as well. But otherwise, it should be a matter of going in here and tags. Tags are used to group blocks, items, and other entities or functions together. Additionally, the Minecraft tick function tag is used to run functions every tick, and Minecraft load function tag is used to run functions every time the world is reloaded. To add tags, first create a folder named tags inside the namespace folder. Inside the namespace folder. And then, you know, to make this simpler on people who are watching this, I'm going to real quick rename this to... This is not a valid structure. Well, it is actually. Namespace. So that way we know this is the namespace folder. Alright, we want a folder named tags. Tags. Inside this folder, create folders named blocks, items, and functions. Then create a new we don't need blocks or functions. We just need items. Two. Then create a file named tag.nameJSON. The music is from Aim to Head. Same music I used back when we were playing, what's its bucket? From the Depths. Alright. Pack.mcmeta. Why is that deleted? Oh, right, because it got moved. Hang on. This is janked. Give me a second. Let me close that. There we go. Okay. Is that actually working? Oh my god, that might actually work. Maybe. Well, actually, no, I didn't see it in game, did I? Nope, it's not in here. Which is interesting, because it should be. It's in the list. Don't know. Anyway. There's already 10 ingots in there. But the tags are incorrect / missing. Is that correct? Correct. So we have 10 ingot. So we have 10 ingot. Yeah? But if we go to 10, the ingot is not in here. And if we go to ingot, it's not in here. And the claymore, as an example, is looking for ingots / 10. So it's looking for an ingots / 10 is what it's looking for. It's looking for a tag ingots / 10. We were to do ingots. Do iron. You can see iron is in here. Oh yeah, Twilight Forest, right. So you can see iron's in here. We were to do steel. Steel's in here. Wait, seriously? Steel leaf counts as steel? Huh, neat. If we were to do gold, that's in here, but not here. Copper's in here. Silver doesn't exist. Osmium exists. It was tin and bronze was the ones that we need to fix. Unable to access the existing namespace tags. So you absolutely cannot modify other people's tags. That is, it's considered incredibly taboo to do that in Minecraft modding because Minecraft modders don't like sharing. So I have to fix it myself. So I have to make my own one that does its own tag for Minecraft or for that. Anyway, that's why I have to do it myself. Cue Thanos meme. I'll do it myself. Ta-da. So, for example, if this was Rimworld, they'd probably just be like, yeah, copy the whole fucking thing, I don't care. Alright, so, we got that set up. Pack.meta, that's fine. Okay, I need the folder itself, data. Does that not go further than that? Why is that not, like, going down? Oh, because there are no other folders inside of that, I guess? There's nothing in there to do that with. Right, it's just folders inside of here. Folders upon folders upon folders. So we need this back up. Then create a file named tagname.json. Tagname.json. New. Yeah, well, see, you say that, but it's actually tin.json. JSON. And now that can see it. There we go. And then we're going to want another one that is bronze.json. You're supposed to do it through there, but it feels odd to me that that's not, like, showing anything, but okay. And then with tags, one of these or any other subfolders will be your tag file. Your tag will be named in the game as namespace name subfolder one symbol okay. Is a folder. Main article tag. There we go. And we want JSON format. Let's see. The root object. Actually, this is what this is for. This is the item tag generator. This is what we want right here. Hey, Blue. Welcome back to the stream. We're doing some stupid shit today. Let's see. We want in here. I'm not sure how to use this motherfucker. I think if we tags.java. No. Presets? Hang on. I'm curious. Damn. I was curious. I was like, there's a lot of presets in here. I'm just curious what is actually in here. This is a separate program called Mesode. It's right there. I'm going to hover over that so you guys can see it for a minute. There we go. Alright, so from here, we want to generate a tin ingot. So I think we can access the other ones just to look at them. If we go to, for example, where's the thing? Nope, that's the wrong one. I need this. There we go. Instances, let's go to Unforsaken Rehorizons multiple times over. Folder is empty, which is interesting. I'm not sure why the folder is empty. I'm not sure how the folder is empty, considering that's where the resource packs are supposed to be. Like, this is where the data pack should be, right? And they clearly exist. I have no idea, like, how they hid them, basically. I have no idea how they did that. So I guess that actually is not helpful to us at all. I read the title and do not entirely understand what's going on. I don't understand what's going on, and I made the stream, Steven. Welcome to the stream, by the way, Steven. Honestly, bruh, you're not going to understand anything unless you go back and watch this from the very beginning. I'm going to be honest with you. This is not a stream you can just join halfway through and be like, so what's going on in here? The answer is stupidity. The answer is stupidity is what's going on in here. I'm bullshitting my way through fixing a Minecraft pack by making a data pack for the first time, and I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm learning. I'm learning on stream, basically, is what's going on right now. We drink and we code, and maybe the code will work. There's a thing made of spaghetti code. It's Minecraft. What do you think? Alright, the root object, replace. Optional. Whether or not the contents of this tag should be replaced. To completely replace tag contents, lower priority tags. It affects the same resource location. When false text content is applied. I don't even know what order this should be in. I don't know what format this should be in. Items? I have no fucking clue what order this is supposed to be in. That's just a list of tags. It's not actually that useful, believe it or not. I need the format of the fucking thing. JSON format. This is unuseful. One exception is function tag. We're not using function tags. My favorite pasta, spaghetti code. Pretty much. The code is currently invisible. That's true. The code is currently invisible. Okay, I don't know enough to know what I'm not doing correctly here. This just links to tag, which is what I already have open over here. See, tag and list of tags. Yeah, that's fucking useless. And that's, yeah, that's the same thing here. Okay. Add tags. First, create a folder named tag. This should not be that complicated, I'm gonna be honest. I feel like it's just their wording is making this fucking impossible to understand. The file is located in a subfolder. Yeah, I get that. Mentions, utilities. Yeah, there's all these different things down here that are supposed to help you make these things, and I found none of them to be useful, which is why we're doing it live. That's crafting. Crafting I actually know how to do, believe it or not. Crafting I know how to do by hand, but also this is a way more useful tool. Can't read it, so it doesn't matter which words they use. Because you're streaming on low quality, or because you're drunk? Because you're drinking, I should say. Or both. Is there any specific reason you choose to do this for this pack? Because it's the one I have. And it's, no, not really. Just because. Because these versions of the mod themselves are broken as well. They're not working together properly. So even though we installed the mod from scratch, the mods from scratch to make this mod pack, it's still not working. So I need to fix it myself. Again, I'm just gonna fucking get the Thanos meme up here on a loop or something. Like, hang on. Just gonna go ahead and loop. Oh, fuck you, YouTube. Just being impolite. How big of a fucking window do we need for a GIF? Apparently this is the smallest GIF window I can make for this, so I'm just gonna put this over here in the corner. I'll just put that in the corner right there. Just gonna put that in the corner. Nobody else worry about it. Hang on. Nope, I know a much better way to do this. Now we're doing Discord nonsense for fun. For fun and for shits. Let's see. Add a new thing on Discord. Here, you know what? This is gonna get real trippy for a second. This is what OBS looks like. We're gonna go ahead and do display capture image. No, we want window capture. Actually, easiest way to do this. Download the GIF. So save the GIF somewhere. Oh, wait. Windows can't display a GIF because Windows sucks. So, no, we just want window capture. We're going to call it Thanos. There we go. Hi, look, it knew exactly which one to grab. That's awesome. All right, we're going to go ahead and we want this one. Yes. However, we're going to go ahead and drag this. We're going to put this here, and then we're going to do preview scaling. No, we want... I believe we want transform. No, we want filters. That's what we want. And we're going to do crop. And then we're going to do... Let's go up by, like... Go... Crop that up by 140. crop the top down. I'm in here cropping with the top down, boys. And we want probably close to a good number there. 140 there. And then probably about 110. Oh, nope, less than that there. There we go. Perfect. And now, we move this back over here. And we transition. And now Thanos is just in the corner of my screen constantly. It's perfect. Ian, welcome to the stream, by the way. Alright, now that Thanos is there, also let's go ahead and transition that so Thanos goes over there. Thank you. Thank you very much, Thanos. Okay. We'll do it ourselves. Very much so. Alright, so we need to create a .json folder for this, and this is, I think we can use type definition implementations, format, document. Isn't there a way to do that? Refactor, change all occurrences. No refactoring is available. There is a tool we have installed, extensions, which is DataPack Helper. I have no idea how this thing works. Most players will look for a pack format value. Minecraft release version matching that pack format will be used to turn the vanilla data pack validation schemas for JSON. Feature semantic coloring. Yay. Diagnostics. Spyglass and provides real-time diagnostics. Code completions. I don't know what half of this fucking means. I'm just gonna do it myself. I'm gonna Thanos this shit. I'm just gonna do it myself. What is the end goal of fix supposed to mean? Operates perfectly fine. Sorry, again, this is not a stream you can just come into and understand. You need the background context, and I can't stop every so often to give a 30-minute lecture on what we're doing. I can't. Otherwise, we're not going to make any progress today. I'm sorry, Steven. Go back to the beginning of the stream, watch forward on double speed. Or don't watch. I'm going to be honest with you. Like, I don't mean to hate. I'm not hating on you. But that's just how this stream is going to be. It's not going to be helpful. Because I don't know enough to teach it without knowing it ahead of time. If that makes sense. Oh no, Thanos. Thanos, come back. Thanos, come back. Ooh. Anyway. Alright. Let's get fucking Minecraft shit back up. Because I still have no idea what I'm doing. That was the music tap. Everything sucks. Inspector fucking Gadget. Alright. Biggest thing is fixing the tag so we can get rid of all the different ingots. Kind of. Yes, that is correct. So Ian knows what's going on here. I don't. Is this gonna fucking play? Thank you. I don't know what's going on over there. Worse since the last time I wasn't filled in on. Yeah, kinda. More stuff? Yes, more or less. Don't worry about it. Alright. Also, Thanos stopped running at some point. There we go. You stay there, Thanos. What was I doing? I don't remember what I was doing. Right, bronze. Bronze and tin. Sweet baby Jesus. This is a mess of a stream. Why are any of you watching this? This is a terrible stream. Oh. Okay. We need to create a tag. But the tag, this, is fucking useless. The tag format is useless here. Item tags. Item tags can be called for item arguments and commands with resource location, or in recipes and advancements using tag resource location, which succeeds if the item matches any of the items specified in the tag. They can also be searched in creative inventory by using resource location. Okay, but the format is garbage. Like, what are these fucking icons and shit in here supposed to make? Watching you mad is fun with the webcam on upper right. Oh, yeah, sure. The webcam on the upper right of the screen. Yeah, exactly. All right, hang on. Nah, not going there. Not going there. I'm not going to the Minecraft wiki because it's fucking useless. Get fuck off. What about you, Reddit? You have anything to say about this? No. That's bedrock. Item tag generator. You know what? Let's do a preset one for, like, anvil. Okay, so we have anvil here. This is what it should look like. Okay, this is what it should look like. This is perfect. So let's go ahead and we'll just change out what we have here. What we have is we need to link in tin, right? Or we'll start with bronze, because bronze is the one we have up right now. So we need bronze. So we need mechanism, ingot underscore bronze. Right? That makes sense. We literally rewrite this. Mechanism, ingot underscore bronze. And then we kill these. And it only needs to be the one thing. It literally only needs the one. That's it. That's all it needs. And we can take this, we copy paste it into bronze.json. And in theory, that works. In theory. We can actually test this. We do a save. Go to Minecraft. Hit up a reload. One second. Okay. Testing something. Go. And then we go to bronze. If we go to... No? The what? Bronze ingot? It was... No, it was... Oh, what was it? It was... Underscore steel? God, how did we do this? No, it was ingot. Bronze. Ingot... Underscore copper? How did we literally just did this. I did this correctly the first time. And now I'm not doing it correctly at all. Ingot. Tin. Ingot. No? How did I do this? I'm dumb. I'm dumb as shit. I'm dumb as a box of rocks. Theory. Yeah, see, that didn't work actually, did it? Ingots slash bronze. What I thought. Oh, because the namespace is looking for ingots bronze. So I need to make a second folder under items that says ingots. I think. I'm not 100% sure on that one, but I think that's what's going on here. Give me 1 second. If this works, I'll be very pleased with myself. There we go. No. See, ingots, bronze. That still didn't work. Okay. Ingot underscore bronze. I'm not sure where I should be putting this. If it should be bronze, like ingots bronze, or if, I'm not sure, honestly. I guess the thing we just keep testing things until it works, I guess. Tag name.json. Tag name.json. Okay, so I'm thinking we rename this. We take this, we rename it. Rename to ingots. Slashes are allowed in these folders. Ingots, bronze. And then we go to the file structure real quick, because I am better organizing it through here than the other way around. Wait, what? There's a separate folder in here? I'm very confused. Tags, items, ingots 10. I'm very, very confused. But why are there 8,000 phantoms in the air? Okay, bronze is still mechanism underscore ingot bronze. I got that correct, yeah. Mechanism underscore ingot, or colon, ingot bronze. Did I miss anything from the generator? No, I don't think so. We hit that preset for anvil again. No, same difference. Let's go, like, ingot. Really? Iron? Iron ores. Oh, of course, because in vanilla, there would be no need for multiple iron ingots. That's not a thing. If we do a slab. There we go. Okay, so now it's just values. Okay. I honestly don't know. Replace is false. Oh, I didn't do that. I'm a dumbass. Place is false, so I need the... I hate that it doesn't stay open. Absolutely hate that. If one of my way smarter than me friends could figure that one out for me, that'd be great. I'd appreciate it. Ingots. That's incorrect. Actually, we do want true on this. No, do we want true or if we want false? No, I think we want false. That can't be it. I feel like I'm missing something obvious, you know? Replace, right? Values. Oh, I see how this is structured now. ID, a string in one of the string formats above. Entry with additional options, 116 plus. We don't need that. Required. Whether or not loading this tag should fail if this entry is not found. True by default. Also true for string entries. A tag that fails to load can be referenced in any data pack and redefined in other data packs. In other words, only the entries in this JSON file are ignored if this entry cannot be found. Sure. ID, an object's resource location in the form resource location. That is so fucking helpful right there. Just resource location. ID of another tag with the same location, same type in the form resource location. Also known as namespace IDs, namespace identifiers, resource identifiers, or namespace strings. A way to declare and specify game objects. Oh my god, it should just be mechanism. That should be correct. I believe that's correct. Find out. Try mayonnaise. Is mayonnaise an instrument? There are still 5 of you watching this mess of a stream. I just want to be clear about that. You do not need to stay here. You can leave. You can go home. What are you doing here? Like, why? Why are you here? Stop it. Get some help. That is extremely annoying. Silver? What the fuck does silver have to do with this? Here to help if possible. I mean, you're smarter than I am. We're getting help. I am the help. Let me try and bullshit my way through it a little bit more, and then I'll try and figure it out. And then I'll ask you for your actual help, Ice Mage, because I might need it. C ingots bronze. C ingots bronze. C ingots? Why is it just C ingots? That's like, I don't know what that's looking for. Like, where is that looking, you know? Empty tag. By the way, this is the reason we have to fix this, because Mechanism didn't tag their shit bronze, and because this is not looking for bronze, it's looking for bronze. Anyway. Ingots. It's looking under ingots right now. This is not correct. I'm just gonna say one more time. Minimize that. We do tags, items, ingots. I'm just gonna copy this. And I'm going to delete this. And then I'm going to paste this. Oh, right, because I deleted it. Dumbass. Control X, Control V, then delete the folder. All right. Yes, we deleting. Are we? I don't know. We're making progress though. I have no idea what I'm doing here. Really, I don't. We're an hour in and we've done nothing. We've set up a Thanos loop in the corner. That's all we've done this stream so far. Still nothing. Illegal namespace was acceptable in the path. That's a webcam. Yeah, totally. Yes, that's my webcam. That's what I look like in real life, guys. I look like Thanos. Ignoring the fact that I've actually been on camera on this stream before. Not this particular stream, but on stream. You cannot trick me. You are purple. Indeed. I'm getting real close to calling in the big guns. Being my friend who actually knows what the fuck she's doing. Let's try Googling it again, shall we? Fuck you. I highly doubt you're useful. Dormod copper ingot, yeah. All the items you want to consider is ingots. That actually is almost useful. Define the tag forge ingots and then list all items. Within your mods directory, you define the tag forge ingots and then list all items you want to consider as ingots. Under that tag, specifying their unique item names. That's almost useful, but that's for an actual mod. Google's not helpful. Is his name Jack Daniels? No. Thanos cosplay win? I am large purple man. Okay. You know, I'm staring at this and I'm reading it, and it still doesn't make sense to me. Constants from tags. A hashtag is usually required before, or pound sign is usually required before tags resource location. Resource location of a tag is also in the format of namespace path. For namespace is the name of the folder the tags folder is in. For example, JSON file data wiki tags blocks food sample is defines a tag block tag with resource location of wiki foo example. What? It doesn't even make sense. Like, I'm reading it, and it does not make sense. Location of a tag is also in the format of namespace path. Namespace path. The namespace is the name of the folder that the tags folder is in. Yeah, that would be mechanism. Tags folder. The path is the JSON's path file's path under the respective tag of folder. Jesus Christ. Does anyone understand what I'm reading right now? Because I don't. Function tags, the JSON files may be placed in a data pack inside a respective folder and its subfolder in the data namespace tags. Folder names are listed below. There are words, exactly, but no meaning. Namespace, tags, items, which is what I have. Tags, item. Namespace, tags, items. And apparently ingots then, after that, I don't know. And yeah, fluids, blocks, entity types, game events, others. We don't need any of these. Folder and data namespace tag with the same path. Registries resource location. For example, biomes tag is in data namespace. Tags world gen biome. Sure, we don't need those tags. We literally just are trying to make a tag that is a tag called bronze. That is all the other shit that contains bronze ingot. That's what this is looking for, right? Ingots bronze. Ingot tag ingots bronze. Is it the recipe that's wrong? Okay, I think I can... How did I do this before? Oh, because it's not actually showing us that. It's showing us the... That I'm dumb. The space here isn't showing us the second part of the tag. It's showing us the word, which is copper ingot, osmium ingot, lead, whatever. Block uranium and deny uranium ingots. So yeah, that's... Is this tagged properly? Does this have a tag? It says 6 components, but... Hang on. I was testing things, ignore all of these. I know steel is tagged correctly and tin's not. Shit. Yep, I don't know how that command works, unfortunately. Give me one moment, ladies and gentlemen. I'm reading something off screen. Okay, delightful. The thing I'm trying to do can't be done. Excellent. The thing I was trying to do was view an item's tags in-game, i.e., like, if a steel ingot has a tag, to look at the various tags that are attached to steel ingot. But unfortunately, that's not possible. But I could do this. Go to JEI. Go to steel. There we go. I can see the steel tag. It's just... This is just showing everything that is, like, got the word steel in it. Well, not actually, no, because there's more stuff there. Then what is all this shit? Like, where did this come from? Steel chain? Like, this is not considered the same thing as a steel ingot. You can't use a steel chain in place of a steel ingot in crafting recipes. I am so confused as to what I'm doing right now. You know, the worst part about this is, I could just modify the fucking recipes to fix it. I know how to do that, but I am too fucking stubborn. I am trying to learn how to tag items right now. Literally, all I need to do is, to do that, by the way, I just do this. Go over here to do fucking, back on this a couple times to get out of the item tags. We go to fucking, let's see. That's tags. We need recipe. /recipe, and we literally just type it in here. We go, okay, we're gonna do, this is a basic crafting recipe. We're gonna do shaped. We're gonna get, let's see, is simple preset here. I just need to see what the structure is here. Perfect, okay. So we just get the ingredients, and the result, perfect. Group is wooden button, so the group would, for this would just be, I don't know, fucking bronze claymore. Category would be equipment. Ingredients is very simple. We would do... Where's the goddamn thing? There we go. Why is this even maximized? I don't understand why it's maximized. So we want the bronze claymore. So we want bronze short sword, which is the... okay. Magister Armory? Jesus Christ, that's quite a name. We get the... Get all the shit out of my inventory that I was testing with earlier. We need a... What was the other ingredient in this? It was a bronze short sword. And we need a bronze ingot. That's what it was, right? Yeah, ingot bronze. This is the only 3 things we need for this. The recipe is short sword in the middle, ingot on the left. It doesn't even matter. I could just do anything like that. Just do... item. See, we want a tag here, but we don't have the ability to do a tag. We just do... mechanism. Is that how you spell mechanism? Mechanism and get bronze, yep. And then... His fucking name. Is it ID? Oh, that's from Craftweaker, isn't it? That command, yeah, that command's from Craftweaker, so that's not actually useful to me. So, simple solution for this. We go back to Minecraft. We take a screenshot. We take a screenshot. And that way I have this up here in the top corner of my screen. And I can grab... do this. Minimize Minecraft, because I don't need that there. Now, it doesn't know what that is, but that's okay. It doesn't need to know what mechanism ingot is. It doesn't need to know what that is. And then we add... do... Magistu Armory, bronze _ short sword. Result. Go ahead and just copy that. Bronze, and we go to the next picture that I just took, and replace short sword with claymore, because that's actually how it's spelled properly. Perfect. Now we have that. Count 1. Yep, perfect. You get that. Perfect. Takes a whiskey drink, he takes a screenshot. I wish. We'll do copy this, and we'll go fuck tags. We'll do new folder recipes. Just make sure I have this correct layout here. Let's see. Yep. Somewhere in here is recipes. Where's recipes? Advancement banner, chat. Instrument, jukebox. Recipe. There we go. And then you need a JSON format to cover the whole thing. Recipes are stored as separate JSON files in the data Minecraft recipe folder in the Minecraft version jar. Version jar. Fucking love that. Can be found by changing the extension of the jar file to .zip and navigating within it. Custom recipe files are stored in data namespace recipe folder of data pack recipe with ID foo path to file. Would have its JSON file located at data foo recipe path to file path2file.json within a data pack. Data packs that load later with a recipe file at the same resource location replace the existing recipe. Same resource location? What is this? Is the second time I've seen this reference. I don't know what this is. And I'm feeling real dumb about it right now. Yeah, that's blasting. So this would need to be under shaped crafting. Need more whiskey in the jarro. So we would want two recipe generators in here, yeah? Minecraft crafting shapeless. This is shapeless. It should be shaped crafting. Go pattern. I actually don't know how to define this. Key? This I'm not familiar with, unfortunately. Let me go ahead and copy that, just in case it gets lost, because I'm going to do this real quick. Boat. Pattern entry. Oh, interesting. Okay. So defines that key number is... Oh, let's do one that it doesn't have the same ingredients. So, rail. That has multiple ingredients. XSX... X... Okay, so X's are... It defines X's as... So it defines X as ingot, S is Minecraft stick, and # is Minecraft redstone torch. I see. It's the file location within the data pack, which is also linked to the mechanism ingot steel item in the game. Yeah, I'm real dumb. That didn't make a lot of sense to me, what you just said. And that is the part that is supposed to make sense, and that didn't make a lot of sense to me. I think I know what you mean. It's file location within the data pack, which is also linked to the mechanism ingot steel item in the game. I think I understand what you're saying there. You defined a data pack with a top level file of mechanism, then created an item ingot steel in your data pack. It would overwrite the mechanism ingot. Oh. Data pack with a top level file of mechanism. Then create an item ingot steel in your data pack. It would overwrite the mechanism ingot. Do you mean in the namespace folder, like here? Or do you mean, because you mean this one, right? Like if I were to name this mechanism, it would overwrite mechanism. Right? Which is not what we want to do. We do not want to replace mechanism. Is that what you're telling me? I think that's what you're telling me. Yes. Okay. That's not what we want to do, though. We want to overwrite the tags. Empty tag. Empty tag. I don't know what the fuck that's trying to do. Anyway. The Minecraft Wiki is trying to tell you about recipes. Right. And so resource location in this case would be Minecraft. Because well, it wouldn't be Minecraft, it'd be Magistratory Armory or whatever the fuck it's called. The dude's name, Armory, is what it'd be called. Would be the resource location. And then bronze short sword / claymore, whatever. We don't want to replace his thing, though, so we're just doing... What was I doing? Alright. I don't actually want... Yeah, fuck it. Just do shapeless. I don't care that much anymore. Hang on, actually, if I just do back a couple times, that actually seems to have saved the various things. It did not save the various things. Great. Fucking great. Shapeless. Group. Claymore. Claymores, I guess. Category. Equipment. Ingredients. This is why I copied that. Copy that. New file. This would be... What would this be titled? Shapeless crafting, yeah? Let me double check that real quick. Crafting _ shapeless. I think this is right. I honestly couldn't tell you if this is correct or not. We're gonna find out. When the phantoms begin moving again, and the pufferfish thing appears in the top right corner, we know we've succeeded. Alright. If this doesn't work, I'm calling in the big guns. I'm going... Fuck. Okay, then. Yeah, I don't fucking know. Alright, hang on. Hold on to your brisket, everybody. We're calling in the big guns. Hello, big guns, also known as Mega Ice Mage.
What's up?
So, explain to me why I'm stupid.
Okay, I'm trying to catch up because I was a few 30 seconds to a minute behind your stream. And I wasn't sure exactly what you've been trying because I can't read your screen.
Is it not high enough resolution to read it? It's 1440p.
My stream quality is not that high through my internet.
Oh, fair enough, I guess.
Okay.
Would it help for you if I streamed my screen to Discord for you?
No.
Okay, just checking.
I can read it now.
Okay.
Expand tags for me.
Sure.
Dead video fixes namespace. Recipes tags. Cook on bronze. JSON. Or just open the bronze.json.
While she's reading that, I'm just gonna let y'all know Mega Ice Page does coding for a living and is far more intelligent than I am.
I don't know about intelligent, but I'm far more experienced with what the fuck JSON is.
Let's go with that.
Actually putting together what Minecraft is trying to say.
That's fair. and I appreciate your help.
Okay.
We're all gonna learn together. Oh, shit. I gotta restart Thanos. There we go.
Make replace true.
No, I was wondering about that myself. You think that's it? Or do you think there's more to it?
It's at least a start.
Reloading. Watch the phantoms. The phantoms of the hourglass. Nah.
Open. If you just drag the crafting shapeless over to the side, it should split the...
The what?
So in Visual Studio Code,
Uh-huh.
if you drag the crafting shapeless tab over to the very far right side,
like
in your... Okay, you can reorder it for one, but also and now you split, and now we can see both at the same time.
Magical. You're a goddamn wizard.
Fun fact, you can also drag it to the bottom of the screen and it'll split to the bottom and top if you prefer that.
Oh, this is fine.
Change your item in your ingredients from mechanism ingot bronze to ingots... No. What? Okay. A list of...
Not a wizard, a mage. Damn, you right, dwarf, you right.
Okay. Result count 1, Megistio Armory, Bronze Claymore. So the result is right, but it's not pulling the right ingot.
Right.
Did you ever reload the data pack after you made changes?
Yeah, I've been reloading every time I open Minecraft.
Okay. What happens if you change the item from mechanism ingot confusion to DeadVideos fixes namespace :bronze?
Sure, let's try that. :bronze. That's a great question. Let's find out. Also, I'm just gonna double check. / data pack list. 7 data packs enabled. DeadVideos fixes is enabled. Okay. Just checking. That's enabled. Just double checking. Nothing.
Hover over it though.
See ingots bronze. Yeah. Same as it was before. Nothing changed. Once we get past the formatting of this, fixing the rest of the problems should be easy.
Yeah.
Because then it's just doing the same thing again. basically.
Oh, we didn't put a hashtag at the start of that.
Here? Or where?
Yeah, right there in front of DeadVideos. And also, apparently it's DeadVideos fixes, not DeadVideos fixes namespace. I
DeadVideos,
don't know.
DeadVideos underscore fixes names underscore namespace.
Yeah. I guess DeadVideos fixes is just the title of the data pack.
Yeah. Still nothing.
What the fuck?
Because there's... Normally I would do this with a mod called Craft Weaker, which I understand that very well. But I want to learn how data packs actually work so I don't have to use Craft Weaker every time. And because data packs can do shit besides crafting recipes. They can do tags and things like that, which is beyond me, apparently. In theory, we shouldn't even need this. This should work on its own, in theory. In theory. Unless... I'm gonna try something. What is a valid... I need the list again of valid things. Heck, underscore name. I rewatched the stream on double speak. Welcome back, Steven. Are you caught up on how stupid we all are? Maybe we get a log from the reload command. Not in vanilla. You need another mod for that we don't have installed. Otherwise, that's not a bad idea. Nope, that didn't do anything. Damn. I was really hoping that I was being clever there for a second. I didn't realize those mechanisms to use its tags. Not inaccurate. Not inaccurate. I can't explain it much better than that, Steven. Go ahead.
What if you change it from bronze to ingots underscore bronze now? In your crafting recipe.
Oh, good point.
Because you changed the name.
In space.
And we didn't have ingots / bronze before.
That's true. I can't do / bronze because that's... It just makes a new folder. That's all I was looking to understand. Sorry, Steven, I misunderstood the question. Man, Steven, I'm lost, my dude. Don't ask me questions I don't know the answer to. The answer of what are we doing here is a question I don't know the answer to. Nope, that
Why
didn't do
does
anything.
the tag not keep change at all?
I don't know. The thing is, there should be a second recipe here, is what we should be looking at. This should be coming up as a second recipe.
That makes me think that it's not setting the recipe right.
That makes me think that it's not registering the data pack correctly, but it says it's registering the data pack correctly. It says it's installed.
Go to your... Open the MC data file. Is that what it's called?
MC Meta?
Yeah, MC Meta.
Pack.mc Meta. I mean, I could be missing something here, but I don't think I am.
Data pack presents the root directory, which contains data pack information, text, pack's name, list, pack version. If this number does not match the current required number, the data pack displays a warning and requires additional confirmation. Section for filtering out files from data packs applied below this one. Any file that matches one of the patterns will be treated as if not present in the pack at all. So we don't want any files.
We don't want files?
We don't want to filter any files, so we don't want to filter.
Yes.
I'm at 48.
Yeah, 48
Yeah,
is
1.21.
the 1.21x.
Yeah. Entry with additional option. A string and
Where's Subway Surfer, Family Guy clips, and 5 minutes craft mini videos? My attention span is not being taken full advantage of. Welcome to the stream, Bexel, and yeah, I pretty much get you on that one, but this is not a good stream for anyone with a short attention span. You need an attention span for the ages to be able to watch this stream. Especially if you're watching it and not just listening to it. If you're watching this, you're a madman. Listening, I can almost understand. Almost. I still think you're crazy. Sigma Cameraman. Hi, I'm new here. Hello, Sigma Cameraman. Welcome to the stream, and welcome to the channel. This is a terrible first introduction.
crafting shapeless.
If you never come back, Sigma Cameraman, I will understand. In fact, you shouldn't come back. Run away while you still can. Run far from here. Are we hacking? If we are,
Yes.
we're not very good at it. Yes, we are apparently? Okay.
We are hacking. Dimension item recipe. I want to check out the recipe JSON format because
With this music, we can even hack a microwave. I feel like hacking a microwave would be easier than this. Significantly. I feel like microwaves are pretty much just, I'm gonna leave. Yeah, that's a good idea. Run away, Sigma. I believe you should run away. It's gonna double speed. I'm starting to get a little sick of it. Understandable. Yet, these guys' songs, they do sound vaguely familiar, but they are, in fact, all distinct songs that we've listened to so far. Well, sometimes. I had to restart the playlist at one point because the accident got closed. But, anyway. See, that's the difference between you and me, Steven. I can listen to this music all day and not get sick of it. Same song on loop? No. Maybe I'll hack a microwave, but you'll be prepared for the microwave. Ha. Ha ha. Haha. Alright, I'm gonna do some reading too while you're doing that. Whatever you're doing.
Yeah, we're gonna need it.
It'd be so simple for me to just install fucking, Craft Week, or just fix recipes the way I know how to, but nope. Doing it the hard way.
Recipes.
Data pack dark magic. That's pretty accurate.
I wish there were more examples of this stuff.
Yeah, there are YouTube videos, but I can't watch those on stream.
Yeah.
It's like a great mod pack, but it has bugs. It's like Glitch in the Matrix. Oh, Sigma, welcome back. Thought you were playing Minecraft according to the thumbnail. This is like Glitch in the Matrix. Yeah, see, that's one of the things I do here. This is technically part of a Minecraft series, but we're fixing it because it's broken as fuck. The mod pack is broken, so we're fixing it. Ourselves.
Okay. I see now.
Said the blind man.
No. So, the recipe thing has either a list of acceptable item IDs,
Right.
or a list of acceptable items for a single item in the recipe. I know that doesn't make sense to you.
No, I think it does, actually. So, for example, we're looking at... Well, all the different boats have their own recipe, but, are there any vanilla recipes that have tags like that? That use tags? Torch. Torches use it.
Chests.
Chest. There you go. Yeah, so Torch uses tag Minecraft planks, which it just pulls tag Minecraft planks. Cutting using stuff to mod games, I think. Like there's good modding infrastructure instead of this dark magic. Oh, Minecraft's modding infrastructure is fucking hot garbage. Because Minecraft doesn't have a modding API. So everyone has had to invent their own, which is what Neoforge, Fabric, and Forge are. And Quilt, or whatever the fuck the other one's called. And long story short, Microsoft doesn't actually want you modding Minecraft. Not anymore. Mojang did back in the day, but Minecraft doesn't, or Microsoft doesn't. So it's not like RimWorld. New recipe. 3 cobblestone slabs equals bronze claymore. It's an interesting idea. Interesting. I think it might be a little imbalanced.
doesn't this show planks?
Hmm?
No, it's not.
7/8 of the community will just leave? Probably. You guys even understand this. Some of us do. By some of us, I mean Mega Ice Mage. I'm trying. Because I'm trying to learn this. That's why we're doing this stream. Because I want to learn this shit. I'm not gonna lie. If I just tried to do this on my own without streaming it, I'd probably get distracted and just watch Stargate. I know, because that's happened multiple nights in a row. And Pessimist is just vibing. Yep, sounds about right. We were in a stream? Thank you, Pessimist. Love the support as always. Data Minecraft recipe folder in the Minecraft version jar. This folder can be found by changing the extension of the .jar. Custom recipe files are stored in data namespace recipe folder of the data pack. A recipe with ID food path to file would have its JSON file located data food recipe path to file within a data pack. Data packs upload later with the recipe file in the same resource location for system recipe. Type tag in its root tag. Types are listed below. Did you just both have a stroke in chat? I don't know what either of those messages mean. Besides, oh my days. People will make alternative games with actual modding APIs. They have already done that. It's called Terraria, Rimworld. No, I'm just kidding. Factorio.
Oh my god, Factorio's modding API and documentation is incredible.
There was another one somewhat recently. What was it? It was Hades. Hades, the entire game, when you download it, is built in with built-in documentation. You can open it in fucking Notepad. The whole game. All of Hades. Anyway.
Tags, items. So you have items, then create a file named tagname.json. Ingotsbronze.json.
Like, it can't be impossible to figure this out. People have done it before.
This will be your tag. Your tag will be named in the game as namespace : or namespace suppose the file is created. Okay, humor me here.
Okay, go right ahead.
In ingotsbronze.json, first of all.
Okay.
Sorry, I have to wait for your stream to catch up before I can.
Do you want me to stream to you on Discord separately? I can do
Maybe.
both. I can do both.
Mechanism ingot bronze is an item.
Yep.
And you're sure it's the right item.
I am sure it's the right item.
Okay.
So with advanced tooltips on here, you can actually see in-game mechanism ingot bronze.
Right. Okay, perfect. Values replace true. Okay. In your crafting shapeless recipes.
Okay.
You've got the right type. Get rid of the item and the curly braces on both entries. And just have a
So-
comma after it gets bronze.
So this?
Yeah, modify that.
Okay. Now what do you want me to do?
Sorry, I'm expanding your stream on Discord.
Yep.
Do hashtag DeadVideos fixes namespace in quotation marks. Sorry.
Namespace.
Colon ingots bronze. Close quotation.
Okay.
Comma. And then
The other one.
the Magistuary bronze, whatever it was.
Also in quotations, presumably.
Yeah.
Okay. Done. Save and test.
Let me double check the result.
Number of phantoms have increased.
They really have. Jesus.
Nothing.
Is it at least looking for an ingot bronze? In Minecraft, can you
Can I do what?
hover over the thing? Ingots slash bronze. Why is it looking for ingots slash bronze?
I don't know. But when I tried to copy that earlier, it just made a new folder. Because,
Yeah, I know.
Because slash isn't a valid name. The thing is, again, this should be showing up a new recipe. This is not modifying the old recipe. This should be a new recipe. There should be a second recipe here that makes a bronze claymore. It's the kind of music they play at a generic roller skating rink, or at least in my brain. That's fair. Yeah, pretty much. I can see that. Getting rebuilt Python 6 weeks survived from this, and that stuff broke my brain. Understandable. Understandable. Have a nice day. Because let me put it this way. There are other things that I want to keep a secret that I need a data pack to do. And learning this shit is the only way I'm going to be able to do that stuff. If I want math, I'll play Satisfactory. That's fair.
Yes.
Oh, shit. Okay, sorry, I was stretching.
Recipe, shapeless recipe, to list multiple alternatives for slots such as open blank and merge book. A recipe without a pattern. Ingredients can be put in shape. The example is a list. With captions.
I'm sorry, Steven. You know, you could just go watch someone else, Steven. There are other people on YouTube that could watch that are probably playing actual games you could go watch.
first of all, you named it recipes. It needs to be recipe. Singular. Yep, that folder. No? Why does Minecraft have conflicting information?
Because of course it does. Of course the information is conflicting.
Yeah, the example for creating a data pack has recipe as the required folder name. Whereas... Nope, that
Didn't do jack shit. Because why would it? Oh my god. I am 5 minutes away from just fucking pulling up a fucking tutorial on YouTube and just fucking dealing with the copyright problems myself. Here, I'm gonna send you the link to this 8-minute video. And you tell me what we're doing wrong. Holy shit. I am 2 hours into this stream, and nothing has happened. Excellent. Oh, Thanos stopped. Hang on. I can fix them real quick. Give me a second. There we go. Fixed. I feel like the GIFs are enough to make it transformative. Is it? Is it, though?
Alright, I'm watching this video.
Alright, excellent. I'm gonna do something stupid then. Just a little bit of this. There we go. Put this right here. And there we go. Perfect. Random code in the background, the disembodied voices. I mean, but is it though? God damn.
Did you install this Data Pack Helper Plus?
Yeah, I did. I couldn't figure out how it works. Fuck it. Let's read this fucking thing and see if I can figure out how this thing works. Both players will look for a pack.mc meta file containing a pack format value.
Seriously, my version of VS Code is too old.
Delightful. Mine's a fresh install.
Yeah, I figured.
I've learned there are many Minecraft resources available, none of which help. Yep. That is also what I have learned today as well. Actually, I've learned that over the last couple days, which is why I'm doing this stream. Because if I'm forced to sit here and stare at it for 3 hours, maybe I'll learn something. trying to do something for so long, I forgot why I was trying to do it. See, I have notes of what I'm trying to fix. I can't show you those notes because they have secret things on them, but they do exist. Because in theory, when this is done, this will be a completely different fucking mod pack, and I might as well release it to the public at this point. This is all Greek to me, unfortunately. I'm just far too dumb. This is why the guy who made Craft Tweaker made Craft Tweaker, because this is fucking dark magic. You know what? Oh, that'd be useful. Oh, that's also very useful right there. Tags viewer, that's a really useful mod. I have something in namespace for something undisplayed space, and then namespace, and then not notice why it doesn't work right for 2 days of debugging. That's fair. Oh, Craft Tweaker doesn't exist on Forge or NeoForge yet. That's horrifying. Yeah, these are just... For those of you not sure what I'm doing, I'm currently looking at mods to see if Craft Tweaker is available, and it's not. That's horrifying. Get rid of this. Craft Tweaker. Just curious. NeoForge, Forge, and Fabric. It's on there. NeoForge. 121.1. Why is it not showing up? Why is this not showing up? Recipe script events add new commands, even change item properties. Yes, Craft Tweaker's fucking baller. I like Craft Tweaker. But there are things to learn. This is a mod I'm much more familiar with. God, I want to use it, but it defeats the purpose of what we're doing here today. Sounds like if Jeff from Mojang hit rock bottom and went to Cleveland. Interesting. I have too many gifts open. There we go. I don't know why this is failing. It really shouldn't. What? Does this thing have the ability to make an entire data pack by itself? That's crazy if it does.
Are you talking about that GitHub thing?
Yeah, the Misode.
Yeah, it should have an ability to create it all by itself.
That's trippy. It's a shame I'm incredibly dumb and still can't figure it out. I'm just gonna see if this does anything. I'm very curious at this point.
Data packs, video mixes, data. Yeah. Okay.
Good at making my own mod pack. So, fun fact about that, Steven, I have made my own mod packs in the past. This is essentially that. We've already done that part. That was why there were 16 different mod packs at the beginning of the stream that I deleted, because they were all this mod pack that we rebuilt. And by we, I mean myself and Mega Ice Mage. We painstakingly rebuilt the whole mod pack from scratch. It's the mods that are in this version of Minecraft are not updated. Mechanism does not have the tags for bronze and tin. And we're trying to figure out how to fix that. Hi, Dave. Welcome to the stream. You told an AI to write code to make a new Minecraft recipe for Forge. I mean, it's probably going to be better than what I've written so far. Let's see if Dark got a new membership, but I was asleep at 2 a.m. so I didn't know. Also, I'm gonna have my birthday on the 22nd. Very nice. Happy birthday. If I don't see you. Oh, nope. Capital C. Brain. My brain wants to capitalize things, but it's not supposed to capitalize things. Odd. Oh, it's because Minecraft's open. Interesting, but it doesn't actually list that there. Have a good one, Steven. Go do something better with your time than be here. I'm still amazed that any of you were here. You should all definitely have left by now.
Can you send me the zip of that example data pack you made?
Sure. There you go. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Too stubborn to leave. Gotta see if you get anywhere. That's fair, I guess. Well, that explains you. It doesn't explain the other 3 people. Peppersmith's just vibe into the music, so I guess that's 2 of you accounted for. I just got here. Dave, leave. You're not allowed here anymore. Go do something better with your time than be here. Run for your life, Dave. Run far away from here. Fly, you fools! If I run, I'm gonna get a low blood sugar, pass out after a mile. Well, it's better than being here for any length of time. Speaking of miles, got my 2-mile time down to sub 16. Finally with a nice 15-15 like 2-3 months ago. Damn. That is impressive. That's quite impressive. Oh man, I've lost the plot completely. I don't want to say I've given up, but I think I might have given up. And this is unfortunate.
That is unfortunate.
I feel like this should be possible, you know? Like, people have figured this out. People have done this in the past.
Yeah.
But I'm just not smart enough to do it. 'Cause I don't even know where I'm going wrong in the first place. It's a tomorrow problem? Nah, see, that's not how that works. I got shit I gotta do tomorrow. I can't do this tomorrow. I don't have time to do this tomorrow, and I don't have time to do it Monday or Tuesday. Today is the day I have for it. That's it.
Did that new data pack get loaded into the game?
No, it didn't. It didn't work.
I mean, but it said it loaded in.
No, it was never in the list.
Okay. Well, because you can't just reload. If you have a new data pack.
Why is it working for you?
I am testing something, but I haven't had a chance to do it.
Gotta take a drive tomorrow morning. Exactly. And then after that, I'm playing D&D. Then I'm going to bed. Then Monday morning, I'm going to Costco. Then I'm going to play D&D. Then I'm going to bed. Then Tuesday, I get up. I play Terraria, and I play different Minecraft. Then I go to bed. And then I go to work.
Don't immediately load into the world.
Okay. Are you about to tell me conflicting information? Let me guess. Go to options, go to resource packs.
No. It's not a resource pack, it's a data pack.
Then where do I go? There is no thing for data packs.
Go to single player. Click
Edit.
on your world, edit. I thought
Open world folder?
maybe it is a resource pack.
Open world folder? And then you go...
No. Go back to the resource packs.
Because
Did you already do this?
it lists them in here, yes. But it doesn't list either of them in here. But it loads them into the game. I don't know why it doesn't list them in either side of this. But it loads them.
What happens if you click open pack folder?
It takes me elsewhere. Takes me to the the resource packs folder, which is empty. Because that's not where they go, according to the Minecraft wiki. According to Minecraft wiki, they go in here. They go in the world folder.
Yeah.
Never put off till tomorrow. That was you can put off doing altogether. I agree. I could say fuck this mod pack and just go play a different mod pack. But I want to play this mod pack is the problem. And then I'm here. And we do data pack. Yeah. DeadVideos fix is in here, but the other one's not. No fucking clue.
I'm gonna mess with this.
You're gonna mess with it? Are you saying you're taking over this responsibility from me?
Until I figure out why it's not working, yes.
Sure.
Because coding under pressure on a stream is
well, no,
pain in the ass.
it's not under pressure. I fully understood that nothing was going to happen here. For myself.
Fair.
I didn't mean to drag you into this. You volunteered.
Yes.
What is Drew doing? Drew just messaged me about Helldivers. It's like, Drew, I am in the middle of something else at the moment. If you can figure out how this works and give me an example, I can do the rest. I just, this is fucking stupid. I don't know. Or, well, not this. This is not, well, this is stupid. This is dark magic. I'm too stupid to figure this out. And all the tutorials are just like, it's so simple. You just do this. And then I do that and nothing happens. I'm so confused. Alright. Well, I think I'm going to call it there then, ladies and gentlemen. If Mega Ice Mage, the absolute champion here, comes back with real information, then we'll go from there, but... Hang on. Just one more thing I want to do. Perfect. This won't get me in trouble with lawyers at all. Just gonna, real quick, just gonna make this slightly bigger. I'm not gonna do this like I did all the other ones. Just gonna slide this over here, and then slide that away so I don't get in trouble. Because I feel like their lawyers, if anyone's gonna be aggro. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been an incredibly dumb stream. I hope you have a pleasant morning, afternoon, evening, and good night.